everyone, my name is Charlie. I work for Connect Kia, and today I'm going to show you guys how to set up your UVO. It's very simple, but I want to show you step by step. First thing you need to do is download the UVO app to your smartphone device. Now that you have the UVO app downloaded, we want to hop back in your Kia vehicle. You are going to need a USB cord. It's highly recommended that you use the factory cord that came with your device. All you want to do is plug it into your device. Once you're plugged in, you want to go to the setup button. It's going to bring you to this screen right here, and you click on UVO. Now you can turn on your 911 Connect, which will automatically make a call with your Bluetooth phone when any airbag is deployed. So have the parking minder, which update your UVO app with your vehicle location anytime you turn off the ignition. And then you also have My Car Zone. And it's as simple as that. Your UVO is now connected and ready to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time.